Namaste. The Upanishads are late Vedic Sanskrit texts of religious teaching and ideas and are commonly referred to as Vedanta. Vedanta has been interpreted as the last chapters, parts of the Veda, and alternatively as object, the highest purpose of the Veda. The concepts of Brahman, that is ultimate reality, and Atman, that is soul and self, are central ideas in all the Upanishads, and know that you are the Atman is their thematic focus. The Sanskrit term Upanishad means sitting down near. Up means by and Nishad means sit down, referring to the student sitting down near the teacher while receiving spiritual knowledge. The authorship of most Upanishads is uncertain and unknown. The ancient Upanishads are embedded in the Vedas. The Vedic texts assert that they were skillfully created by rishis. Rishis are sages. Women such as Maitri and Gargi participate in the dialogues and are also credited in the early Upanishads. Around 108 Upanishads are known, of which the first dozen or so are the oldest and most important and are referred to as the main or the Mukhya Upanishads. The Mukhya Upanishads are found mostly in the concluding part of the Brahmanas and Aranyaks and were for centuries memorized by each generation and passed down orally. The Mukhya Upanishads associated with four Vedas are, it's the Aitareya Upanishad that is associated with the Rig Veda. With Samveda, the Chandogya Upanishad and the Jain Upanishad are associated. Yajurveda is divided into two parts, Krishna Yajurveda and Shukla Yajurveda. With Krishna Yajurveda, Katha Upanishad, Taittiriya Upanishad, Shveteshwatra Upanishad and Maitri Upanishad are associated, whereas with Shukla Yajurveda, Isha Upanishad and Brihadaranyaka Upanishad are associated. With the fourth Veda, that is Atharva Veda, three Upanishads are associated, that is Mandukya, Mundaka and Prashna Upanishad. The famous slogan of India, Satyamev Jayate, is found here in the Mundaka Upanishad. The Upanishads are treatises of knowledge of ultimate hidden reality, and their presentation of philosophy presumes that it is by a strictly personal effort that one can reach the truth. In the Upanishads, states Radhakrishnan, knowledge is a means to freedom and philosophy is the pursuit of worship by a way of life. Two concepts that are of paramount importance in Upanishads are Brahman and Atman. The Brahman is the ultimate reality and the Atman is individual self, that is soul. Brahman is the material, efficient, formal and final cause of all that exists. The word Atman means the inner self, the soul, the immortal spirit in an individual and all living beings including animals and trees. The Upanishads describe the universe and the human experience as an interplay of Purush. Purush is the eternal, unchanging principles, consciousness and Prakriti, the temporary, changing material world. The term Maya in the Upanishads has been translated as illusion, but then it does not concern normal illusion. Here, illusion does not mean that the world is not real and simply a figment of the human imagination. Maya means that the world is not as it seems. The world that one experiences is misleading as far as its true nature is concerned. The Mughal Emperor Akbar's grandson, Sultan Muhammad Dara Shikoh, produced a collection in 1676 wherein 50 Upanishads were translated from Sanskrit to Persian. And the first English translation of the Upanishad was made by Raja Ram Mohan Roy in 1816. However, Max Muller's editions were the first systematic English treatment to include the 12 principal Upanishads. If you want to know more about the Vedas, please refer to the entire playlist, the Vedic literature, where I have discussed all the 4 Vedas, the Gayatri Mantra, and all related aspects in detail. Thank you.
If you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe.